Did you know that mixing baking soda with honey can change your health in just a few days? This may sound strange, but it's true. Every year, thousands of seniors suffer from joint pain, low energy, indigestion, and weak immunity. And most don't know that the cause could be inside their own kitchen. Research shows that chronic inflammation and too much acid in the body are some of the biggest reasons behind many common health problems in people over 60. Conditions like arthritis, high blood pressure, diabetes, kidney issues, acid reflux, fatigue, and even heart disease can all be connected to inflammation and an imbalanced internal pH. Now here's the part most people never hear about. A simple combination of baking soda and honey, when used properly, may help reduce these risks naturally. This mix isn't just an old folk remedy. It's backed by scientific research and trusted by many naturopaths and holistic health practitioners. But why is this so important for seniors? As we grow older, our body produces more acid because of stress, medication, processed food, pollution, and internal wear and tear. That acid doesn't just stay in your stomach. It can spread through your blood, muscles, joints, and organs, slowly damaging tissues and speeding up aging. High acidity causes inflammation. Inflammation causes disease. And disease causes pain and disability. That's the chain reaction. But here's where the good news starts. Baking soda is a natural alkaline compound. It helps neutralize that acid and balance your body's pH levels. When your pH is balanced, your cells function better. Your digestion improves. Your joints feel less stiff. Your kidneys don't have to work as hard. And your immune system becomes more active. In fact, studies from the National Institutes of Health have shown that a small amount of baking soda can even send a signal to your spleen, telling it to stop unnecessary immune attacks and calm inflammation. This isn't guesswork, it's real science. Now let's talk about the second ingredient, honey. And we don't mean just any honey. We mean raw, organic, unfiltered honey, the kind that still has its natural enzymes and antioxidants. Honey has been used for thousands of years as medicine, and modern science proves why. Honey is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and full of antioxidants. These antioxidants, like flavonoids and polyphenols, fight oxidative stress in your body. Oxidative stress happens when you have too many free radicals. These free radicals damage your cells and lead to faster aging, wrinkles, memory loss, and even cancer. But honey can protect your body from this damage. It acts like a natural shield. When you combine baking soda and honey, you get a mixture that not only balances acid, but also strengthens your defense system. Think of baking soda as the body's cleaner and honey as the healer. Together, they support the organs that keep you alive: your heart, your liver, your kidneys, your brain, and your digestive system. Now let's be honest. Most seniors already take several medications: blood pressure pills, painkillers, antacids, sleeping tablets. These drugs may help in the short term, but they often come with side effects, and over time, they may weaken your liver and kidneys. That's why many people are now turning back to nature, looking for gentle ways to heal and prevent disease. This simple baking soda and honey drink may be one of those natural tools, and it's easy to make. You only need 3 things: 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and a glass of warm water. Mix the honey and baking soda in the warm water until it dissolves fully. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Do this for 5 to 7 days only, then take a break. That's important. Too much baking soda can lead to problems. You don't need a lot. Just a little goes a long way. If you're wondering what it actually feels like to take this, let's walk through it. On day 1, you may feel a little more gas or burping. That's your stomach releasing trapped acid. Some people feel a slight headache. That's your body starting to detox. Drink more water to help it pass. On day 2 or 3, your digestion starts to change. You may notice less bloating. Your stomach may feel lighter. You may even go to the bathroom more easily. That's a good sign. It means things are moving. Around day 4 or 5, something else happens. Your energy returns. You don't feel so tired when you wake up. Your joints might feel looser. That heavy, sluggish feeling? It's going away. And by day 6 or 7, many people report deeper sleep, clearer skin, and fewer food cravings. Some even say their blood pressure readings improve. And if you have seasonal allergies, you may find they are less severe. All from 2 ingredients you already have at home. But this isn't just about feeling better. It's about staying healthy in the long run. Seniors face a higher risk of inflammation-based diseases, heart attacks, stroke, Alzheimer's, autoimmune disorders. But inflammation doesn't always come with pain. Sometimes it hides in your body for years. This is called silent inflammation. And it damages your arteries, brain, liver, and pancreas little by little every day. Baking soda helps reduce this inflammation by calming your immune system, and honey helps restore your body by fighting bacteria and repairing cells. Together, they create a healing environment inside your body. It's like giving your body a gentle reset, especially after years of stress, medication, and poor digestion. Seniors also have a harder time absorbing nutrients. That's why honey is so helpful. It's full of natural sugars that give energy, but it also has small amounts of vitamins, enzymes, and minerals that support your brain, skin, and heart. If you're struggling with memory issues, joint stiffness, acid reflux, or fatigue, this mix could be a helpful tool in your routine. Of course, it's not a miracle cure, but it's safe for most people and easy to try. And sometimes, small changes bring the biggest results. Now, some people ask, what if I'm diabetic? Can I still take this mix? That's a great question. If you're diabetic or insulin resistant, use honey with caution. Talk to your doctor. Try a smaller amount, like half a teaspoon, or use it only every other day. Monitor your blood sugar closely. Remember, this mix is not meant to replace your medicine. It's a support tool, a helper. And yes, it works best with other healthy habits. Drink enough water, move your body, eat clean, sleep well, and avoid too much stress. But the beauty of this mix is that it helps you build momentum. When you feel a little better, you do a little more. And when you do more, you heal more, one step at a time. This is especially powerful for people over 60 who feel stuck in their health journey. You don't need to change everything. Just one thing. Just one small daily ritual. And that ritual could be mixing baking soda with honey and drinking it in the morning. It takes less than a minute. It costs less than a cup of tea. But the rewards could last a lifetime. The sooner you try it, the sooner you may feel the results. Even if you don't have any health issues now, think of it as prevention. Because prevention is always better than cure. You'll learn about the detox process, the science of alkaline balance, and how this mix may support your kidneys, lungs, liver, and brain. You'll also hear real stories from people over 70 who used this mix and felt a big difference in just a week. Now that you understand the powerful benefits of baking soda and honey when taken together, it's time to explore what actually happens inside your body after you take this mixture for 7 days. Let's start with what most seniors notice first: a change in digestion. By day 3, you might feel your stomach is lighter. You'll have fewer episodes of acid reflux or heartburn. That burning sensation in your chest after eating fatty foods? It starts to fade. That's because baking soda works directly to neutralize excess stomach acid. But it doesn't stop there. Once your stomach acid levels become balanced, your entire digestive process improves. Food is broken down more efficiently. Nutrients are absorbed better, and waste moves through your colon more smoothly. This helps prevent constipation, a common issue for seniors. It also reduces gas and bloating. Many seniors say they feel like their belly is less swollen. That's not just a feeling. It's the inflammation calming down. The honey also plays a role here. It coats and soothes the lining of your digestive tract. especially if it's irritated from years of spicy food, coffee, alcohol, or certain medications. In fact, studies show honey can help with ulcers and even protect against H. pylori, the bacteria linked to stomach infections. By day 4 or 5, something else happens. Your energy levels start to rise. You wake up feeling more refreshed. That afternoon crash that used to send you back to the couch, it doesn't hit as hard. This happens because your body is using less energy to fight inflammation. When inflammation drops, your internal organs function better. Your liver works more efficiently. Your kidneys filter waste faster. Your heart doesn't have to pump as hard. Even your brain gets more oxygen and nutrients. And that's when many seniors notice clearer thinking. You're able to remember things more easily. You feel mentally sharp. You may even feel more emotionally balanced. That's because inflammation affects your brain too. Scientists now believe that chronic inflammation may play a big role in dementia and Alzheimer's. So anything that reduces inflammation may also protect your memory. Now let's talk about your immune system. Many people over 60 have weak immunity. They get colds often. They take longer to recover. But after a few days of taking this mix, you might notice you're getting sick less. That's because honey is a natural immune booster. It contains antibacterial compounds like hydrogen peroxide, methylglyoxal, and B-defensin 1. These compounds help your body fight viruses, bacteria, and even fungal infections. Meanwhile, baking soda helps reduce the stress on your immune system by calming unnecessary immune responses. This is very important for seniors. A tired immune system can't tell the difference between a virus and your own tissue. That's when autoimmune diseases happen. But this mix brings your immune system back to balance. And when your immune system is balanced, everything in your body works better. Let's also talk about your kidneys. As you age, your kidneys become less efficient. They struggle to filter blood, regulate minerals, and remove acid waste. That's why seniors are more prone to kidney stones and high uric acid. But guess what? Baking soda can help. Clinical studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate slows the progression of chronic kidney disease. It reduces acid buildup and helps kidneys function more smoothly. Of course, this should be done in moderation and with guidance if you have known kidney issues. But for healthy seniors, a small amount of baking soda helps reduce the workload on the kidneys. That's a big deal. Now, let's talk about your joints. Many seniors live with constant pain in their knees, back, hips, or fingers. This is due to years of inflammation and wear and tear. Some people call it arthritis. Others just call it getting old. But pain is not something you have to live with forever. The baking soda and honey mix can help reduce joint pain by lowering inflammation markers in your blood. It doesn't numb the pain like painkillers. Instead, it works on the root cause, silent inflammation. Over time, this can result in easier movement, better flexibility, and less swelling. Imagine walking up the stairs without pain, or waking up without stiffness in your hands. That's what this mix is helping to support. Many people also notice changes in their skin. Seniors often deal with dry, thin, or saggy skin. That's because the body produces less collagen and holds less water. But after a week on this mix, some people say their skin looks fresher. That's likely due to honey's antioxidant effects. It helps protect skin cells from oxidative stress. And baking soda helps flush toxins that often show up through the skin. Some people even use this mix externally as a gentle scrub. But that's another video. Let's focus on what happens inside. After 7 days, your entire internal system gets a small reset. Your blood becomes more alkaline. Your gut flora starts to rebalance. Your liver clears out more waste. Your metabolism becomes more efficient. And your inflammation drops significantly. This doesn't mean all your problems will vanish overnight. But your body becomes more capable of healing. You're creating the right environment for repair. That's the real secret of this mix. It doesn't cure diseases. It gives your body the right support to heal itself. Now, A lot of seniors wonder if they should continue after 7 days. The answer is no. You should take a break. Do this remedy for 7 days, then stop for at least another 7. You can repeat it once or twice a month. That gives your body time to adjust, and it prevents any risk of sodium overload from the baking soda. Too much baking soda can lead to high sodium, which could raise blood pressure or stress the kidneys. That's why moderation is key. Honey, even though it's natural, still contains sugar, so diabetics should be careful. But if you follow the right ratio, 1 tablespoon of raw honey and just 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water, you're staying within a safe zone. Also, don't take this mix before bed. It may give you energy and affect your sleep. Morning is best on an empty stomach to get the full detox and healing effects. If you forget a day, that's okay. Just continue where you left off. Over time, this habit becomes easy, and the benefits build up. Your energy gets better, your digestion becomes regular, your skin glows, your pain reduces, your sleep deepens, and your immune system becomes more alert. These are not miracles. These are the results of giving your body what it really needs: balance, cleansing, support, and healing. Think of this mix as a tune-up for your inner engine, your heart, your brain, your kidneys, your gut. They all start working better when inflammation is down and pH is balanced. Now here's something important. If you're on medications, especially for blood pressure, heart, or kidneys, please talk to your doctor first. This mix is gentle, but it can still affect how your body processes medication. Never stop your medicine without advice. But feel free to bring this idea to your doctor. Many holistic doctors support this method because it's natural, it's inexpensive, and it works. Thousands of seniors across the world are using this method. They're feeling younger, lighter, and healthier. Many say this one simple change started their entire health transformation. They began eating better, drinking more water, exercising lightly, sleeping better. Why? Because they started to feel good again. And that feeling motivated them to keep going. It's a chain reaction of healing. One good step leads to another. And the best part? This step is right in your kitchen. No pills, no prescriptions, no side effects if done correctly. Just honey, baking soda, and warm water. That's it. So here's what you can do next. Try it for 5 to 7 days. Monitor how you feel. Write down changes in your digestion, energy, sleep, skin, and pain. Take a break after a week, and then repeat once or twice a month. Share it with your friends, your partner, your parents. Help others discover this simple gift. You never know whose life you might improve. In a world full of complex health advice, let's return to something simple, something real, something your body understands. Give this natural mix a try, and let your body do what it was always designed to do: heal, recover, and thrive. You deserve to feel better. You deserve to feel strong. And it can all start with 1 glass a day. So go ahead, mix that honey and baking soda, drink it, and discover the power of natural healing for yourself.